Is it possible for the Galaxy S lineup to get the same treatment as the Galaxy Note? Well, let's find out. Hey guys, Tech Flash here. So a few months back, Samsung suddenly decided to temporarily kill its iconic Galaxy Note series as part of its mission to put the Galaxy Z Fold series into the mainstream. Samsung took a big leap when they decided not to go ahead with the Note lineup, and I have to say that it actually paid off. Sales for the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip 3 are doing much more better than those for the Galaxy S21 and the Note 20. Now, it wasn't really clear if the Note lineup was going to make a comeback or not, but a recent and now deleted video was uploaded by Samsung to their South Korean YouTube channel, where they kept referring to the Fold 3 as the Note Z in that video. And this raised some serious concerns for Note fans. If you guys remember, I did a video a few months back where I said that Samsung is planning to kill off the Note phones but keep the name alive and instead rename the Z Fold with the Note name. And it looks like this prediction may actually be true. Another very interesting and maybe sad report is that the Galaxy S22 may as well be the last S-series phone, and this is based on reports that the majority of the sales have been for the Z Flip 3, which is the most affordable foldable phone yet. Samsung also plans to add the S Pen support to the next Z Flip 4, which should make it even more desirable and in result more in demand than the Galaxy S lineup. Also, since the Flips have been using the main camera sensors for the S series, chances are that the next Flip phone may have the same 50 megapixel RGBW sensor that is rumored for the S22. It is additionally rumored to be paired with the AMD Exynos chip, which seems to be faster than the A series Apple chips. This combination will make the Z Flip unbeatable. At the same time, new renders have also been leaked on the Note 22. Based on the renders, the star of the show seemed to be the front camera, which shows no camera hole, and you know that translates to the under display camera, just like we saw on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The display also showcases a slightly curved design. On the back, we're expecting a quad camera, something based along the lines of the current S21 camera setup. And that's pretty much all that we know right now for the Note 22 and the Galaxy S22. Only time will tell if we're actually right or not, and if the Galaxy S22 will actually be the last phone of its lineup. Anyways guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please drop a like and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. It means a lot to me. Thank you once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.